Good morning, Oak Barrel members and friends. We've got a fact for you this week from the Oak Barrel crew. One of the most commonly asked questions we get in store is, what is peat and smoke? So I'm going to briefly describe to you the malting and peating process in making whiskey. So when you have fresh barley, you actually need to convert the starches in the barley into sugar so that it can be fermented out later to make the alcohol. And so we do this by a malting process, by exposing the barley, the fresh barley, to water, and given time, it will try and sprout and grow into a new barley plant. So what we do then is we actually have to dry the barley itself. We do this one of two ways. We do this by natural kilning, so exposing the wet barley or the malting barley to hot air from a natural fire, or by peat smoking the actual barley. So we do that by taking peat, very similar to this stuff here. This is actually some Tasmanian peat from our friends down there. And they actually make a fire in the room with the barley. And what this does is the smoke itself dries out the barley and also infuses that flavour into the barley, which you will actually see in the final whiskey itself. Particular areas have different types of peat, and they are known for it, in particular as Islay. This one here, the Ardbeg 10, we will be tasting actually at the Intro to Whisky class, which is on the 10th of May. So guys, if you want to know more about whiskey and all the production, how to appreciate it, if you're a novice or an intermediate drinker, feel free to come along. And that's it from the crew here. Thanks a lot.